Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find the privacy protection. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll and tap on special permissions, and here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps. So that was a misclick. Let's tap on install unknown apps, and as you can see here we've got the full list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So if you'd like to change it, for example if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see here we've got the warning, which means that our device is simply telling us that some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put the data on your device and actually whole device at risk, and please remember about that. You're doing it on your own responsibility. So if you are ready, just mark this option and tap on OK, which is right here. And as you can see, this option right now is active, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content, and of course it will work the same with all other apps, so simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. Of course you can also turn off all previously given permissions. Just enter, of course in my case, Chrome, and simply tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.